and what's happening with banks, especially PSBs as well as the corporate lenders, which seem to be getting a bit of a facelift post this earnings season. My colleague Poonam is standing by to actually take us through the internal analysis of how these banks have performed and what's the conviction that's driving them. Poonam?
Well, that's right. In fact, if you look at the banks, we have four key banks which have reported numbers. It's Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, ICICI Bank, as well as Axis Bank. And all these four corporate banks, in fact, have reported one important key trend. That the slippages, in fact, have come off sharply on a sequential basis. But having said that, slippages are, in fact, now trending the historical rate that we have seen in the first 3 quarters of FY18 itself. In fact, if you're looking at the overall performance, I guess most of them have come back and reported some amount of profits versus losses in the last quarter. Margins also have improved for a Bank of Baroda, for Axis Bank, as well as for Canara Bank. In fact, all these banks have gained anywhere between 7 to 12% since 25th of July, that is in the last 1 week until yesterday closing itself. On your screen, and this is one of the most important screens, look at the slippages for first quarter FY19 versus the fourth quarter versus the last quarter. Pretty much a decline, but look at the average quarterly run rate in terms of the 9-month FY18. It does show that all the slippages are now trending the historical trend. In fact, slippages still are, or the NPA stress is still likely to remain fairly elevated because the power sector remains under stress, and also there is a possibility that we may see AQR, another, according to media reports, NCLT resolution is slightly patchy. So yes, maybe another couple of more quarters for the NPA stress to finally abate, but provisions may still remain elevated, and PSU banks may also require further capital infusion. So watch out for that, but as of now, some respite coming in for the corporate banks.